Hey guys, starting a new What is for Dinner series. We are currently in the beginning of February. When I'm starting this, we are having some creamy tomato soup, just in a couple bowls here, and then some grilled bacon and cheddar sandwiches on this Publix Italian like seeded bread. And we're each having a sandwich and a half. They're not huge sandwiches, so I made each of us a half in addition to a whole to dip in the tomato. And then I also cut up some little Persian like mini cucumbers and just have them and slice them lengthwise, a little salt and pepper just for like a little cold little crunch. And this is our dinner tonight, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, for dinner tonight I whipped up some quick bagel sandwiches. Mine has eggs, fried eggs, some sharp cheddar, lettuce, tomato, onion, and buffalo wing sauce, some kiwi, and then some sauteed rosemary red potatoes with like Parmesan cheese. Matt has the same kind of concept, but he has a plain bagel, no lettuce and tomato, and then he just has the fried egg and cheese with a kiwi. Really simple tonight, and this is our dinner tonight. Alright guys, so I tried to recreate my mom's sauce. I think I did a really good job. Once I get settled in my new house with the next chapter, I will definitely do a video on the way that I did this because I think it actually came out really well. So it's just penne with the homemade sauce, turkey meatballs that I made, and then some crusty Italian bread. And this is dinner tonight. Hey guys, for dinner tonight I made one of my favorite soups. I've talked about this for years on my channel. I'll link a video down below. I make different variations, but it's just sausage, beans, some tomatoes, and all different veggies in like a chicken broth. I put some rosemary on top, and then I'm gonna put some Parmesan cheese, and it's like a one dish meal. You don't need anything else. You have your veggies, your meat, your broth. It's just a really, really good soup and a go-to for us. So this is our dinner tonight. Dinner we are having a breakfast, if you hadn't guessed. I use the Artisano Sara Lee bread a lot for French toast. So I have some nice French toast. I put a little vanilla extract in the egg batter, some home fry or hash browns rather, with peppers and rosemary and onions, and then some maple Vermont breakfast sausages and a little ketchup on top. And this is our dinner tonight. Hey guys, for dinner tonight, I am actually, this is my husband's plate. I actually went to a baby shower and ate, so I'm not going to eat right now, but this is what I made for Matt. I actually made a whole bunch of chicken thighs and potato wedges and roasted cauliflower and veggies. That's just what's left that I haven't portioned yet. But this is his dinner tonight. A couple baked seasoned chicken thighs, some red skin on potatoes that I sliced into wedges and seasoned, and then a whole bunch of roasted cauliflower with squash and zucchini and tomatoes and onion and garlic with some Parm cheese on top. Really, really good. And then I have a couple portions this size already put away, and then I just have to package up all this. So kind of kill two birds with one stone. We will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, for dinner tonight, I made some fried rice. I can't get too close though because it's like exceptionally hot and my lens will fog up. But I just used some brown and white rice that I made in my rice cooker, and then I added eggs and leftover chicken thighs, all kinds of veggies. I think I have a video on this or something like this as far as fried rice.
So I'll link that below. And then I just use sesame oil, soy sauce, fresh garlic, and ginger for the seasonings, and topped it with some green onion and sesame seeds. So this is our dinner tonight. Hey guys, another quick little breakfast for dinner tonight. We have some cheesy scrambled fluffy eggs, some maple, Vermont maple syrup flavored sausage, a cinnamon raisin English muffin toasted with butter, and then a cutie orange for dinner. So this is what we're having tonight. Hey guys, so tonight we're having some steamed edamame with a little sea salt, a couple of the Vans brand shrimp egg rolls, which I just toasted in the toaster oven, and then some leftover chicken fried rice from the other day with some sesame seeds on top, so kind of a little Asian twist tonight. I'm just gonna get a little sweet and sour sauce for the egg rolls, and this is dinner tonight.